Movie cars. Do you need some kind of car for your movie? Or do you just need a definitely unique car that's in good shape because you're a unique being? Well, this here is one of the nicest cars of the mid-90s. It's a BMW 740iL. It's a 1993. It's a two-owner car. It's in great shape. Love them in this color. And I just kind of started doing these videos a while back. Figured there might be somebody making a film or TV show or something that needs a car as a star. Or maybe you're a realtor or you're somebody who likes to have a nice car that's impressive and cheap. Something that's not expensive and you can buy for a tenth or a quarter of the price of a new car. Well, of these, you can buy these for like 1/20th of the price of a new Beamer like this, 1/15th. They're very cheap. Nathan, oneownercarguy.com, 406-544-6919. Almost messed that up there, but I didn't. Movie car. If you want a unique car, here it is. Thanks for watching. Check out my other channel, Serial Marshmallows. Full 20 to 30 minute review on there. We'll talk to you.